What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 2 of the 25K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. So today was a bit of a doozy. I recognized we were in a range from opening to about 7, yet I still participated by diddling in the middle. So of course we had a bit of drawdown, but thankfully we broke that habit of mine and we were able to end the day green. So let's jump into all the trades that I took today. So I started using the 10,000 tick chart because the homie Terrence, shout out to Terrence, recommended me it as it shows a much bigger, better story for two-leg moves. And on my right, I of course have my 2,000 tick chart for faster movement. The difference between the two is that each candle on the 2,000 chart is 2,000 trades, whereas this is 10,000 trades per candle. So that's why this moves a bit slower for a bigger picture, and this moves quicker for quick scalps. So anyways, going into the trades, I had thought we were going into a two-leg move as the market opened and a serious bullish trend. And that's the first mistake of making, which is trying to predict the market. Like, that's the last thing you should ever do, because the market's going to do whatever it wants, and you pretty much have to take what it wants to give you. You have no control over it, so just let it do its thing and just react based off that. Don't try to predict what's going to happen next. So that's the first mistake. The second mistake I made was honestly just diddling in the middle. Yes, of course, the 2000 tick chart, you can tell that there's a lot of ups and downs. I could have taken some quick scalps. We didn't know this was going to happen at the time of, the actual trading. So for me, I wasn't patient enough, I would say, was the ultimate mistake that really cost me to be in drawdown for about $300-400. I wasn't waiting to see if we were going to make or break, and I wasn't seeing if there was any support levels going to be formed until later on in the trades. But regardless, these are the 3 top things I messed up on, which is, again, 1, trying to predict the market, 2, playing in the middle or diddling in the middle, and then 3, not having my patience. So let's jump over to the NASDAQ chart and let's look at how we executed over there. So the same situation played out for the NASDAQ since market open, which is range trading and consolidation. But when I pulled up the chart, there was 4 confirmations that played out before I took my first trade on it. The first was we had a downward trend where we had 3-point touches until we finally broke out, which leads to the second confirmation, which is bullish momentum. The third was we bounced off of the EMA as support rather than breaking below twice here on the 2000 tick. And then the fourth was that we broke previous highs. So looking at the 5-minute as well, it all played out well here. Previous highs right above the EMA. We even pushed higher highs. So it was just a lot of momentum. And with those confirmations, I felt confident to execute, therefore leading the account to be over $161 in profit. So very happy with how I ended the day there. Wrap of episode 2 of the challenge. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Before I end the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much. Our trading community is starting to grow slowly, and we are just shy of 150 subs on our YouTube channel. My heart is full of gratitude. I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm just me. I'm just a normal person putting videos out there on the internet, and I didn't think too much about trying to grow my account or like my YouTube page and my following and this and that. I just wanted to do it to provide entertainment, to hold myself accountable, and to really track my progress. And the fact that each and every one of you are watching my videos, subscribing, growing as a community, it means so much because you actually have an interest about what I have to say or do. And I really love engaging with you guys. I think I've said it multiple times now, but we go over our trading struggles, how we resonate with one another, how do we become better traders, and nothing's better than having like a really awesome support system, whether it be your own friends and family, loved ones, but also people on the internet, because there's people out there all over the world that are in the same boat as us, or that were in the same boat as us before, like years ago as beginner traders, or are about to be because they want to get into trading. So it's a full world of people that are like-minded and wanting nothing but success for one another, and that's why I love this community so far. It's been great. So thank you guys again for your support. I'll see you guys in episode 3.